Shelling of children in Sukailabia and Maharda. Date: May 12, 2019. Location: the predominantly Christian towns of Sukailabia and Maharda, northern Hama countryside. Perpetrators: extremist armed factions stationed in the Idlib countryside. Events and casualties: direct and deliberate rocket attacks targeted residential areas and civilian gatherings. Shells struck a summer educational center for children in Sukailabia, instantly killing 5 Christian children alongside their teacher, and injuring several others with severe amputations.